What's up, our squad? It's your boy RJ, and I'm back once again, guys, with another banger. This is my first video back in a minute. By the way, guys, I got my MacBook back. If you don't know the story behind this, basically the Mac, went to Orlando with it, and I left it on the table. I was editing that last Orlando vlog. You see how I had part 1, but I never had any other parts. Yes, because that same day, right after I edited that video and uploaded it, I left my computer on the table and my sister spilled juice on it. But my mom got it fixed for me for Christmas. She got me the AirPods changed. At the end of this video, stay to the end. I'll insert a clip of everything I got for Christmas. Alrighty, I should have made a Christmas vlog, but I'm sorry, y'all. So today is a different video, kind of, because I'm doing a tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to use a green screen in Imovie on MacBook. So, this is the most recent software for MacBook. This is 2019. I'm on macOS Catalina for MacBook. So, I'm going to open Imovie here. And, come on, load up. Alright, so I have a... Oops, I was practicing for you guys. You know what? I'm just going to go back. Okay, create a new movie. Okay. What the heck? Sorry, guys. I should have organized this before the freaking video. It's so cold out to come down with ice. Yes, sir. Whew. Alright. I'm sorry. Okay? Alright. So make this full screen. So basically, you're gonna import your media, and what you first wanna import is, well, you can import them at the same time, but I'm gonna make it simple for you guys if you're new. So first, whatever you save your files to, I save mine to my desktop, and then when I'm done with them, I delete them. So, excuse me. So first off, I'm gonna use this video right here. So I'm gonna use this as my base video. So you wanna take your video that you wanna lay over your body, like put your body over. So this is just an example. This is one of my sound effects for my video. I'll play it. Okay, very unnecessary. So once you do that, I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. Okay. Once you add your crowd boo, or whatever you want to add, that's when you go up here, top left corner, you click on that, and you find what you want to go over it. So for example, I recorded this video just now before I started this. As you guys can see, same clothes, same everything. I recorded this video just now. Wait. Let me see if this is the right one. Oh, and by the way, guys, you never want a shadow behind you, because that kind of messes it up. So you want to make sure you are careful. I have another green screen video that I was going to use. Sorry for the snoring, guys. That's my sister in the background. That's it. Boom. So I want that to go over it. So I'll put this over, but I actually need to edit this clip to when I realized that I had a shadow. So I'm gonna put this over. Boom. Right there. By the way, this is a little trick for you guys. Whenever you're on iMovie, you want to split something, press Command and press B. Boom, it splits. Select your other clip. If you don't want it, delete it. Boom, got that. I'm gonna put this over. Just drag it over. By the way, guys, I'm gonna clip this again. Oh, can't. So basically, this is a trick I learned. I never seen anybody else do this. So to make your green screen more better and more just more better, Go up here to your right hand corner, click on this palette, like it looks like a paintbrush palette. And you want to turn it all the way to the right. You want to turn the one on the left all the way to the right. You see how saturated that green becomes? And then, no, so oops. Keep that the same, I forgot. Reset it, and then pull that up to there. Alright, so now that the main color is green, you see how bright the green is. That will obviously make the effect better. Brighter the green, better the whatever you want to call it. So once you get that done, so you're gonna click on this top file up here, which is your face or whatever you're recording with the green screen. And you're gonna click on these two boxes right here. It looks like a square with like a dotted square behind it. And you are going to press green/blue screen. Once you press green/blue screen, once you enter that, by the way, this is another tip. As you guys can see, you can see like the wrinkles in the screen. This is due to the fact that I only have the top pin. I don't have like the bottom pin down like this, so it's tight. And also, if you don't have 4 pins, another tip that I have for you is at the top, spread it out as far as you can and actually iron the thing. I know it sounds ridiculous, but when you iron it, it gets all the wrinkles out and it gives you a more cleaner cut, clean cut shot. So boom, you have it like this, and play it. And you guys can see whenever I move the camera, usually you'll have the camera sitting on something. This is just a test video. If you move the camera, you can see the wall over there to the right side over here. So yeah, you want to be very careful. I know, guys, I'm ugly. It's all right. And you see when it turns black, that's when there's no more video clip. So move this over. I can't because that's the whole video. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please share it with your family and friends. And if this video helped you at all, please leave a like down below. I would really appreciate it. And also, maybe tutorials will be a new thing. I will make a playlist for my tutorials. And yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day. Go check out my other videos. I make vlogs. I pretty much make vlogs, challenges, typical YouTube videos. So it'll really help me out if you subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. And